Computer sir, can arithmetic operators be used with assignment?
Yes, Meena, what you are asking is called augmented assignment, which is a shortcut technique. Now we will learn another important shortcut of assignment in Python. Okay, this is called augmented assignment. You must have seen things like plus equal to, into equal to, or minus equal to in other languages also. So this is there in Python also. Let us understand this, right? So I can call it compound assignment, or I can call it shorthand assignment, because this is a shorthand technique of assignment along with assignment arithmetic operator. So this is simple assignment, we already know this. That means 10 has been assigned a label A. Label means a memory location A, right? Now I want to write, say like this, is equal to A plus 10. So this means a sort of updation of value of A. Actually in Python, value 10 has been fixed in memory, but I want a value which is higher than value of A by 10. So I can represent it like this. So a new value 20 will come, right? But 20 will be in a different place in memory. Okay, so don't worry about that. Actually A is not being updated because integers are immutable in Python. But it will have another location where 20 will be stored, which is an updated value of A itself by 10. So if I print A, this will be 20 now. Now the same A is 20 and I would like to do it this way, into equal to. That means this is A equal to A into 2, which means if A has now become 20, so this will be 20 into 2, so this will be 40. Let us check it immediately. 20 and 40 has come. Let us try for one interesting operator, which is exponential operator in Python. So let us multiply it by multiply by 2. So just a minute. I'll print this one also. So if I do this, this is 1600. Basically, this is 40 exponential 2, right? So 40 into 40 will be 1600. So similar assignment can be done for all arithmetic operators. So if it is this plus, this will be equal to, minus, equal to, into, equal to, divide, equal to, this integer division equal to, and this modulus equal to, and into equal to. Okay. So for all operators this is possible. Let me understand this using AI also. I am simply giving it a command like to understand augmented assignment. So it has given my examples only and explain me in detail that how A plus equal to 10 works and how A into equal to 2 works. So the next command will work on updated value of A, right? Remember, the Python, the value updation doesn't mean that A in the memory gets changed, because these subjects are immutable. That means 10 is immutable once kept in memory. So a new value will go to a new memory location. That is the difference in Python. But otherwise, the concept is same. And remember, Python doesn't have increment decrement operators. So I can't do A plus plus. This is not permitted. So for this, I have to do A is equal to A plus 1. So that is the option. That is the equivalent option in Python. This is the equivalent option in Python which I have to do. So it doesn't have increment operators or decrement operators because it doesn't change the value. It is immutable. So that's why we have this kind of provision. We can do like this. Okay. This will be the equivalent. So we have all techniques to do in Python also, but with simplicity. Okay. If you want to ask anything, because sometimes it is little tricky to understand, please do ask me, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.